Hello lovelies, today we are doing a grocery shopping haul and let's get right into it. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. In case it's your first time coming across this channel, welcome to the family and consider subscribing if you find this video useful or fun, and let me know something in the comment section below. If you're a returning subscriber, you guys are the best. Thank you so much for your continued support, and without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So some of these products are personal care. I'll come to them later. Starting here, we have cooking oil, which I got fresh fry. This is 3 liters pack. And on this side, I also got a pack of ginger. I have vinegar over there, white vinegar. I have aquaguard for clean water for drinking. I have jam. I have Peptang strawberry jam. I have Zesta red plum jam. This big pack, which is going to serve me for a couple of months. Here I have soda, just a small Sprite, 350 ml. I have a bottle of water. I got packs of yogurt. I have Daima thick yogurt. I want to try out this strawberry and see how it is. And this side I have Daima thick yogurt. I got 2 of those. On this side I have value pack beef sausages, 1 kg. Moving on, here it's my dry ingredients. I got these eggs all-purpose flour. I got 2 packs. I got eggs chapati fortified flour. I got ajab 2 packs, these and these, to last me for quite some time with my pastries, chapati and all that. On this side I have juices, Orchid Valley, I have mango, I have tropical, I have orange. So those are some of the drinks I have. I'll quickly put that in the fridge. On this side I have aluminium foil over here. I have cling film. I got packs of salt, 2 of them. My spices are also here. I got Maggi cubes, 39 cubes. I got Royco cubes over here, 2 packs Royco cubes. I also got Knorr beef cubes. These are also my favorites, Knorr beef cubes. On this side I got Indomie for my son over here. He loves it, so those packs. This side I got my favorite bread, which is Festive, 600 grams. I bought 2 of that. Going on this direction, I got serviettes. I have these Hanan 100 pieces and these Velvex 100 pieces as well. And I also got these paper towels here. On this side, as you can see, if I invite you to my house, you know it's gonna be tea time. I have 6 kilos of sugar, Cabra's sugar. I got Gadhuthi premium tea. I got 4 packs. These coming direction to these will last me almost a whole year, so that's lovely, and the sugar as well. So that's my tea place, and I'm so happy that I was able to get these Gadhuthi premium tea bags because the tea tastes heavenly. On this side I bought this pure Moya Pishori rice. This is a 2 kg pack. I have not bought this before. I want to try it out and see how it tastes and how it cooks. If it cooks well, I will highly recommend. So moving on this side, I got packs of tissue. I got Rose 8 rolls, and I also got Hanan 10 roll pack, which is going to last me maybe for a month before I top up on more. Coming on this direction, I have these Sufficient sponge cloth. They are so nice and they save on a lot of the work perfectly. So I got two. On this side I have hand wash powder, this and this one, Omo, which I'm trying out. On this side I got some long-lasting hygienic these dishcloths, these and these, and I also got this one. On this side I got a pack of Valon. This side I got quality shoe polish kiwi for polishing shoes. This side I got Morning Fresh, this pack for washing dishes. On this side I got 2 packs of bathing soap over there, sour. It is actually nice, it smells nice. I've used it before, but it has been quite some time before I bought that. This side I got Vim and I got Morning Fresh packs for scrubbing my bathroom. This side I got Menengai bar soap, 2 of these. On this side I got some personal items like stimulating shampoo. I bought this from the supermarket. I think this one is going for about, is it 800? I can't remember the prices, but yes, I bought these. I also got these Mega Growth Daily Leave-In Strengthener. I also got these No Lie Relaxer. I got the Nourishing Conditioner over there for just normal wash day in the house. I got this Pride multipurpose liquid detergent lemon flavor. I haven't used this before, so I'm going to be trying it out and see how it works. So moving on other things that I bought is this bottle cleaner. It's a brush for cleaning the bottles. It's really nice. I think it's 45 shillings. I got sieves for sifting flour when I'm cooking, these ones, or washing rice. And I also got a new dustpan. They keep breaking up, so I got this one for 97 bob. Yep. I also got a smaller sieve for tea, African tea, which goes for 12 shillings. So moving on this direction, I got oranges over here. I think this is a pack of 8 oranges. I got 2 kgs of tomatoes, fresh tomatoes over there. I got 3 kilograms of red onion. Really nice. It's so dry. I love it. I've been buying from this person and I really love the onion because it lasts so long and it doesn't go bad. These are fresh carrots over here. I'm also happy about these carrots. All these carrots are worth 100 bob, so it's such a bargain and I'm so happy about it. More on the grocery shopping, I got these red beans. This is 2 kilograms of red beans, which I will sort and actually cook for storage and yes, for meal prepping. These are yellow beans also, which I will do the same. These are almost clean, and these are black beans, which I also love because they are nutritious, and I will prepare these. So these are my grains which I will cook and put in my fridge so that I can complement my proteins. That's my grocery shopping haul. I hope you enjoyed watching and I wish you the best this 2023. Let's keep grinding and let's stay true to whom we are and keep winning as always. So I've discovered shopping in bulk whenever I go shopping, so that I can save up on time and money as well. Buying things in bulk helps you organize, plan, and also get your budget in order. What are you doing this year so that you are able to continue progressing in the right direction? How are you shopping? Are you shopping in bulk like I am? What are the measures you're taking so that you can at least have fun with your cooking and cleaning and all that, and you are shortening the trips to the supermarket if that is the goal for this year? At least that's mine. Let me know in the comment section below, and I will be looking forward to read them and actually reply to all of you. I love you all, and have a wonderful day, evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you're watching me from, and I will see you in the next video.